Backup cameras are essential for safety, but they can fail. The most frequent reasons include blown fuses, often 10 to 15 amps, corroded or loose wiring connections, and software glitches, especially after over the air updates. Physical damage to the camera lens from impacts or debris can also cause failures. In wireless systems, signal interference from devices like Bluetooth can disrupt the feed. Modern vehicles' complex integration with other systems like ADAS and infotainment increases the chance of software conflicts that can affect the camera function. Before calling a mechanic, try these simple solutions. First, check the backup camera fuse, usually located in the fuse box under the dashboard or hood. Replace it if it's blown. Next, inspect the wiring connections for corrosion or looseness. Clean connectors with electrical cleaner and ensure they're firmly attached. For software glitches, try resetting your vehicle's infotainment system. If you have a wireless system, experiment with changing the camera's frequency channel to avoid interference.